What up, YouTube? Bro, phone back from another video on this, beautiful day, y'all. And this is the time of year where every store should be putting their fruit trees and garden supplies on sale. I'm going to every store in my city, see can I find those clearance prices. Stay All right, y'all. First stop, Tractor Supply. They got their own garden center. Let's see what they got inside, y'all. Come with me. Squirrel stopper. All right, y'all. First, manager special, aka clearance of the season. And let's see what they got. Columbine, the other lime, all trees $10. Oh, Columbine, do I want a Columbine? We got mild lemons back here, $10. Look at that mild lemon, y'all. That is beautiful. I just got too many lemon trees, y'all. I can't do it. I got too many lemon trees. But, we found blueberries. Brightwell, I have Brightwell. Premier Blue back there, I have that. More Brightwell. But I don't know, that's a pretty big one for $10. Oh, and it's two. There's two blueberries in there. Two blueberries. You gotta find the deals, y'all. Two in there. So now it goes to $5.50 per tree. Cause it's two blueberry plants in there, y'all. I'm gonna pass. I got 7 blueberry plants already. But I don't know. It's Columbine for $10. That's a nice Columbine, y'all. What y'all think? $10? I'm gonna leave it, y'all. I'm gonna walk away. But I'm gonna walk away real slowly, y'all. Real slowly. Yeah, I'm gonna buy this Columbine. $10. Yeah, this Columbine going home. All right, we're at Home Depot. We'll give it a try, y'all. Man, Home Depot let everything die before they put anything on sale. That was a waste. God damn, Home Depot will let the whole store burn down for this, or put some on. All right, we're in the big W in the hood. In the hood, y'all, you keep your eyes peeled and your wallets close. Yeah, they didn't have nothing in there, and some guy kept asking me for 37 cents to buy some beef ribs. I don't know, man. Moving on to the next store. This my store. Don't let me die. Don't let me die. All right, these are clearance right. The Lowe's always have. Can't eat them. Can't eat them. Succulent combo. I can't eat that. Coleus. Can't eat that. Nothing to eat, y'all. Nothing to eat, y'all. Nothing to eat, y'all. Brown turkey fig. Y'all know what that line mean. I mean 50% off, y'all. 50% off. Lowe's will work with you if you talk to them. So this fig is $15 now. Appreciate it, Lowe's. Love y'all. They didn't have nothing clearance. And then the joker say I just missed the clearance. It was last week. Okay, that's my local nursery though, y'all. Now, I didn't have seeds for this golden cross cabbage. I've never seen this golden cross cabbage. So I got some starts. They look pretty cool. They were $1.99, dude. Come on, man. That's the only reason I got that start. $1.99. And then they had another one that I hadn't seen before. This is called a stonehead cabbage. Them starts are beautiful. $1.99. Yeah, I'm gonna get that. Yeah, I'm not a big advocate of starts, but when you see a deal, get a deal. All right, y'all, let's talk about it. All right. You got to stay in touch with these people at these different big box stores. Talk to them, let them know, hey, you know, I like fruit trees. When they're going on clearance. I called the manager at Lowe's and I said, look, I've been eyeing this brown turkey for about 2 months and I was waiting for y'all to put it on clearance. I said, look here, man, the leaves dying. This whole plant is dying. She said, all right, I can mark it down half price. Do you want it? Yes, ma'am. Let me get that. No, I'm taking it now. So I say that to say this. It's one thing to wait on the clearance, but it's a guessing game. You know what I mean? Talk to these people and let them know, hey, I want this, I want that. Let's see what they can do. I found a good deal at Tractor Supply on the collar Monday. $10 was good. Of course, my Walmart is horrible. Horrible. Their garden center is the worst. Walmart, if you listening, you should be ashamed of what you're doing to that garden center now. And it's in the hood. Come on now. Really? Who in the hood gardening like that? How come y'all ain't got no gardening stuff? Anyway, at Home Depot, y'all are the worst. Y'all are the worst. How do you just let them plants die? I know y'all got a vendor that keep up with all that stuff, but them plants are literally dead when the vendor come to pick them up. And y'all just let that go like it's not a big deal. And this is why I rock with Lowe so hard. Lowe's is a real company that wants to make a profit. Now, they didn't get the $30 that they wanted for that brown turkey. $15, they still got something out of it. They probably ain't paid $7 for it. They made a profit. Please believe they made a profit off it. So as we get closer to winter, when that first frost hit, the clearance thing's gonna be skyrocketing. I mean, everybody do fall gardening, so a lot of things, you know, I ain't gonna be clearance yet. But as soon as winter hit, we're gonna be off to the races. Appreciate y'all watching this video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like this video. Y'all. Now on this collar Monday, I would have just left it in this container for the whole winter, fall, whatever. But it's got a bad lean to it. So I want to pot it up real quick just to get me through the season. And I'm gonna put a stick for a stake. And I'm gonna put these just until next year. Just wanted this tree to get its life together. And then I put it in some 5-1-1 potting soil in a nice container. And I take the stake out. You know what I mean? But to the end, I just want to make sure it's in a good situation. And I'm gonna try this black cow potting mix. Like I said, I just need to get through the winter with it. And this is a 1 gallon container that the tree is currently in. And I think this is a probably 3.5 gallon pot. Potting 3 container sizes up. And this is that black cow potting soil. It is rich and dark. All right, let's get this tree in here. Get a root shape. Root's not looking horribly. See how the little green pellets in it? That's that fertilizer. So I'm gonna plant it sideways so it can sit straight up. And I'm not putting nothing in here, no fertilizer, nothing, but the straight soil. As you see, it already had fertilizer in it, so why would I add more fertilizer to it? This soil has black cow already in it, so, and this combination is already fertilizer, compost, and soil. But if it didn't have it, I still wouldn't add fertilizer to it or anything else. I would let it acclimate to the container or wherever it's been planted at. And then, after about a month, I go back and put some fertilizer, compost and stuff like that on it. We got to get that stem strong. It's leaning like it's been drinking all night. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna put a little handy dandy stake in there. Got it in there. And I'm gonna take this, just Velcro. Won't hurt the plant at all. And we're gonna get it to stand up. Yeah, I'm just gonna pull the main branch straight up. You can tell it ain't used to being confined by nothing. It's used to just growing wild. There we go. Look how pretty she is. Look how pretty she is. Yes, she is, daddy baby. Yes, she is. So we're gonna go ahead and tie off at the bottom. And voila. All right, y'all. I got these. Yeah. Yeah, I got these all put in. I got these here, and I got 3 more over there. Thank y'all for watching.